Hey y'all, moi j'espère en forme. So vidéo aujourd'hui, c'est une vidéo côté que nous allons peindre nous, ok, et nous allons faire make-up nous tout. So si vous parmi moun sa qui remet perruque dans tête yo, mais qui pas connaît comment pour yo mettre perruque, vidéo ça c'est pour spécifiquement, ok. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons faire une installation perruque qui est tellement facile que m'a tout fait make-up ensemble avec nous guys parce que installation perruque ça trop facile. This video will be in English and also it will be in Creole, so everybody can understand what I'm saying, okay? I can say that this video will be a get ready with me, or you know, date, travel, moun ki pral nan bay den yo, parce que nous ka acheter ti perruque ça pour nous mettre dans tête nous len pralé, et puis nous ka toujours, même si toutefois nous pas acheter len pour len pralé, nous ka toujours acheter len rivé en façon ou pas besoin comme c'est tout le temps à payer mon payon son perruque qui ready to go, okay? Hey y'all, I hope you're doing well. So today's video is gonna be a hair review, and also I'm gonna do my makeup for y'all. It's gonna be like a get ready with me video, okay? I have a pretty nice wig for you. So guys, this video is featuring oh my pretty wig. Yes, look at the box, look at the design. Video aujourd'hui il y a une collaboration avec compagnie Sakele oh my pretty wig. Déjà boîte la belle, the box is so nice. It came really well protected, devenu bien protégé, so the shipping was fast, okay? Let's open the box together. Here you have the hair. It's a 26. Yeah. Okay. They sent me a bonnet with the name of the company in it. I'm gonna put it on right now. Ooh, okay. So next up they sent is, okay, there is a thank you card. They sent me wig cap, edge brush, and they also sent an elastic band. Okay, it's pretty long. You can see it's a very long hair. 26 inches, Brazilian hair, 180% density. It's a water wave. Cheveux assez en cheveux 26 pouces, cheveux brésiliens, 180% densité, water wave. Lace nation 6x4. So the lace is 6x4. Yeah. Okay. That's the wig. There was this inside. Damn, the lace is HD. It's so natural. Guys, I was ready to, you know, cut my lace, and it already came cut. It's already cut. And guys, they already plugged the hair. Y'all can see it's already plugged. Let me show y'all the inside. That's the lace, 6x4. It's pretty large, and there is an elastic band inside so you can secure it, you can adjust it. Yes, you can make it smaller. You see, I'm so happy that there is no pin inside, parce que quand on ban pince là dedans ka peser tout, so there is no pins inside, and I'm happy about that. Oh yes, I love that. So guys, before doing the install, I'm gonna do my makeup so I can be cute, okay? I'm starting by cleaning my face. I'll just take my shower so my skin is clean. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. The makeup that I'm gonna do is you know, to travel. Snap voyage, nous ka font makeup léger comme ça, so y'all can be comfortable. Si nous allons côté nous pas avec un makeup extravagant, juste pour comme si so visage nous ka glow, so y'all can have a glowy face, clean face, okay? It's not gonna be a big makeup transformation. Pas mon gros maquillage, pas mon maquillage gros transformation. Bah épiler sous cils, so I didn't, you know, wax my eyebrows. Yeah, bah nettoyer sous cils, bah raser sous cils. My eyebrows are natural, so there is a lot of hair. It's okay. So now I'm gonna clean my eyebrows with concealer. I really make it fat. To pousser concealer sous deux yeux pour me juste utiliser comme base. And let me blend it. Blend. So I didn't clean the up part yet, so I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I didn't put any moisturizer because I'm just doing my makeup for the video. I'm not going nowhere. No need to waste my moisturizer. This primer already work as a moisturizer, okay? I'm using a mini fan to make sure that it's dry. So I'm using this foundation. It's a little bit it's like not my real color. It's good. Donc au moment ça m'a changé couleur parce que je pas sorti. Cette couleur me vient plus raffinée, ça fait que je un peu bien. I'm adding a little bit more. So now I'm gonna use the same foundation that I've used for my face to clean the top of my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a powder to set the foundation. I didn't bring my powder brush, so I'm using another brush. So now it's time to glow the face. I'm gonna use a concealer, just a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit. I'm gonna blend, spread, blend. Yeah, I already know, bright. Blend. And that's correct. Now I'm gonna use my setting powder to set my concealer. So now it's time for contouring. I don't want it to be dark. Oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? Now I'm gonna cut the face. So guys, I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera. I'm gonna put my lashes on, put some blush, some highlight, and some setting spray. And by finishing makeup off camera, I'm gonna mete perik, okay? Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup. So now it's time to do my hair. Let's put the wig on. As I said, you don't have to do anything in the wig, just put it on. That's it. You're not serious. Oh my pretty wig, you are not serious. I don't need to do anything at all. You're not serious. This is the easiest wig that I've ever wear in my whole journey, guys. Donc voilà guys, c'est la même fin avec vidéo. J'espère que fait nous plaisir. L'information de cheveux ça dans la description vidéo ça et un commentaire qui a pépé qui a gagné photo. Donc allez dans les commentaires, allez dans commentaire qui est épinglé pour nous capable voir. And also there will be a coupon code. Avec un coupon code que m'a mettez pour nous capable joindre la belle que nous a acheté. Pour moun qui pral dans Biden, nous parce que perik ça c'est une bonne alternative pour nous parce que nous a cap juste fourrer dans tête nous et puis nous prêt pour nous sortir. Nous pas besoin comme ça à coller cheveux, nous pas besoin à payer coller cheveux parce que nous avons cheveux qui prêt pour nous sortir. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, you like this wig as I do, and also let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think this is the easiest wig to put on, okay? This is a very good quality wig, not losing hair. It's why it's soft. It's a very good wig and the price is great also. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for my pretty wig. So à très vite dans une prochaine vidéo. Bye.